Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I have received the Hacktoberfest T-shirt and swags. You can see it, and I am very glad to unbox it with you guys. So let's open it. So this is the Hacktoberfest T-shirt 2020 with the logo. I have chosen the Neptune blue T-shirt. Here is the DigitalOcean and its sponsor. Yeah, it is quite good. Okay, let's see what is the next. Okay, this is the card from Intel oneapi.com. You can see it. Next is there is cooking. Cookies from future.com. This is the cooking, and Hacktoberfest sticker, and there are multiple stickers from Dev community, from Circle CI, and wow, from Cockroach DB, and next, let's see, from Docker, from Intel, do comment guys if you have also received this or not. This is once again Hacktoberfest. Okay, this is rough, and this is sticker. What's next? One more. Okay, so these are the stickers. This is the card from forum.com and future. This is the oneapi, and this is the T-shirt. Okay guys, thank you. Subscribe my channel. Welcome.